Yo, what's up, my fellow webmasters and stuff like that? You're tuning into Michael Pierre, and today I will be showing you how to make a website in ActionScript 2. I was making one earlier, but the video was too long, and I really didn't want to cut it in parts. So check this out. So basically, how to make a website in ActionScript 2. I am going to create a new file, file ActionScript 2. Press OK. Okay, you see I got my stage. If you guys know about Flash, I'm gonna turn it black, right? I'm gonna double click on the layer. I'm gonna name that structure page, just like I did right now. Boom. Okay, now I'm gonna create some lines. My lines are light gray, as you can see with the pencil tool, so I'm gonna put a little straight white, well, gray line, and I'm gonna just put it in the middle as well, right? Wow, there we go. So I'm gonna create two more layers, by the way. I'm gonna name this layers about, and I'm gonna name this layers actions. Alright, so I am going to click on frame 5. You see I highlight all of them for actions about and structure. I'm gonna press F5. And I said F5 earlier, sorry about that. Okay, so for here, for the actions, I'm gonna click on that frame in frame 1. I'm gonna click on actions. I'm gonna write stop right in there, just like that. And I'm gonna close that action. Then after that, within the middle, so 1, 2, 3, and frame 3, I'm gonna press F6 to close that right there. And I'm gonna go back to the structure page, right? Then I will click on the text tool. You see how I clicked on the text tool? Pretty cool, huh? Alright, anyway, so I'm gonna write home right here, and I'm gonna call this about, right? So what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna align all, well, I'm not gonna align because there's a specific way to align. I'm gonna get more in detail in that and more tutorials. So I will click right here once again on the structure page where it's frame 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to click right here and I'm going to press F6, right? So I'm going to close that frame up. So I'm going to click back on structure page frame 1, and I will click inside of there. Well, actually, I'm going to write, this is my home page, right? Then I'm gonna click on frame 3 and about, and I'm gonna click the text tool once again, and I'm gonna write I am cool. Did you know that? Yeah, I did. Alright, now I'm going to go back to the actions. I'm gonna click F5. No, not F5. I'm gonna click F6. I'm gonna make sure I'm in the actions of the action. I'm gonna make sure in the actions I clicked on the frame. I'm gonna write stop. Right? Okay. So you see how it renders out. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna click back on frame 1 structure page, and I'm going to click on home button. I'm gonna right click on home button. I'm gonna convert that into a symbol. I'm gonna call that my BTN. You can call it whatever you want. You see your registration, you can move your registration all around if you want. I'm gonna click keep mine in the middle. You don't have to necessarily. So for the instance name, you saw how I click right in there. I'm gonna make sure it's a button, obviously, and I'm gonna write my BTN. I'm gonna press enter. Then you see this little thing right here, this little arrow. This is my actions panel. I'm gonna click inside. I'm gonna paste the script that I already had pre-made, and I'm going to leave it as it is because I want it to go back to frame 1 since that is my page, which is on bracket, press squirrely bracket, go to end, stop bracket 1. Okay, see how that is? Alright, boom. So now I'm gonna go to about frame 3. Yeah, I'm cool. Well, actually, I'm gonna go back to frame 1. Then I'm going to right click on about, convert to symbol. I'm gonna call that my BTN1, right? And then in the instance name, I'm gonna call it my BTN1 as well. Then I'm gonna press enter, but you don't really have to, but it's just to be on the safe side. Then I'm gonna paste my script. Then I'm going to, instead of that 1, I'm going to put 3 because we want to go to frame 3. So after that, it should be able to go to frame 3 with no problem. So it should look like this. So I'm going to press Control Enter to test my movie. Alright, so this is my home page. I click on About. I am cool, did you know that? Yeah, I did. So if I want to click on frame 1, which I can't, hold on, I'll tell you why. Oh, actually, I'm going to show you why. This is an error, a common error. See? I can't click on them again. I'll show you why. Okay, guys, I actually figured out the problem. I extended the frames a little bit. How you can do that, you can press F5. So I'm going to show you how to press F5. So you just do that. Once you press X5, once you click on a frame, it would do such a thing like that. But I'm gonna press Ctrl Z to go back. So let's test out this movie. Home, about, hello peoples, I am cool, are you? And if I want to click back on home, this is my home page. See how that works? I changed up the text too, I got kind of bored. Well, this is it for this tutorial. If you want more tutorials, they'll be on their way. If you want to understand this more, just email me or just simply go to my site at www.webmasterlessons.com or www.webmasterlessons.info. Excuse me. Enjoy.